Water is one of the most important resources on our planet. It's like the magic potion that helps everyone to live and grow. Without water, we wouldn't be able to drink, cook, or even take a bath. Plants and animals also need water to grow and survive. Our crops also need water. Imagine if we didn't have enough clean water. Life would be extremely difficult. That's why it's so important to conserve and take care of our water. United Nations has a special plan called the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs to make sure everyone has clean water by 2030. By saving water at home, like turning off the tap while brushing your teeth and not wasting it, we help protect this precious resource. When we care for water, we're helping our families, our communities, and the whole planet. So, let's all be water heroes together and make sure everyone has clean and safe water to use. Thank you. For more informative videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye-bye.